Want to know how to create a constant using final keyword? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So I have this simple Programmers online compiler right here for Java. So you can use any compiler that you want. So when you want to declare a value that you should never change, use the final keyword. Here we have created a constant called pi with a value 3.14. So you can see under final double we have created phi that is 3.14. So once you mark something as final, it becomes read only. So if you try to change it later, the program won't compile it. This is useful for things like mathematical constants, fixed text rates, or system configurations. Values that should stay the same throughout the program. Also, it's a good practice to write the final constants in all uppercase with underscores. So this is a good practice. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.